Yesterday I have posted a couple of jobs related to freshers, HRs, Python developers, Java developers, C++ developer, SAP, product managers, and engineering managers. Today I'm going to share a couple of another jobs as well. And the first job here is UST Global is hiring for SAP people, SAP folks. The first role they are hiring for is SAP ABAP, CPIDS, 5 to 7 years of experience. And the second job they are hiring for is SAP IBP supply consultant. Third job is SAP IBP demand consultant. And so all these three jobs are with 3 years of, 5 to 7 years of experience. And the next job is SAP CI job with 3 to 5 years of experience. And the next job is SAP finance with asset accounting and PS. It is also 5 to 7 years of experience. So my salary recommendations for all the jobs which have 5 to 7 years of experience would be, you people need to demand salary at least 15 lakh to 21 lakh would be my salary recommendation for this job. For the job SAP CI with 3.5 years of experience, you people need to demand at least 9 lakh to 15 lakh salary for this specific position. So, if you're joining for the salary less than 9 LPA for 3 years of experience, or if you're joining in a company with less than 15 LPA for 5 to 7 years of experience, so you are underpaying yourself. These are my salary recommendations for these roles. And UST is a good service-based company. It has its headquarters in Kerala, and it has its working operations office in multiple areas. But Tijo Johnson forget to mention the location of this job. But if you want to apply for this job and you want to know more details, share your CV to tijo.johnson@ust.com. You can ask many details like what would be the salary, where is the location of this job, and what would be the budget that you are looking for. You can ask many more details for this specific role. And let's jump into the next job. The next job is Tech Mahindra is hiring for big data program manager. So Yogi Kumar looks like he forget to mention what would be the experience range. So being a manager, I would think this would need at least 10 years of experience or at least 8 years of experience for this role. And uh, the skills required would be experience dealing with large data sets across geographies. So it includes everything like when it comes to programming, Python is needed or R language is needed, or else if you want to store the data, Snowflake is needed, and some sort of cloud technologies like AWS, GCP, or Azure is needed based upon my experiences. And the salary recommendation for this role would be minimum 30 lakhs should be demanded for this role, and maximum it should go up to 45 lakhs. But again, it's up to you. If you have a good sort of skills, you can demand more salary. But if you are going to join in Tech Mahindra for less than 30 LPA, so that would be, you are underpaying yourself. So, if any big data program manager or big data engineers are watching this video, please do share your, you know, please do share your feedback on what would be the experience that is needed for being a manager, or what would be the salary range, and etc. So, if you want more details, you can feel free to reach this guy in LinkedIn, or else you can send your resume to ya00607064 at techmahindra.com, so that Yogi would be responding for your queries like what would be the experience, what is the location, and what are the skills required for this job. But interesting thing about Tech Mahindra is these people don't mention their names in the email addresses. I don't know why, but if any Tech Mahindra employee is watching this clip, please let us know why Tech Mahindra uses only numbers. I mean, different characters rather than their names in their email addresses. Thank you. Then let's jump into the next job. The next job is a company called Skillmind is hiring for SAP IS retail, and they need immediate joiner. So my straight question to the Ranjit, if he watches this video, what is the notice period in your company? Let's say if an employee is going to resign immediately, or if you want to leave the company without serving notice period, will you accept that? And for this SAP role, uh, these people are needs 8 to 13 years of experience. Then again, the salary recommendation would be at least 20 LPA to 40 LPA for this job. If you are having good skills, demand more salary. If you are having less skills, or you know it's up to you, but feel free to join in the company. But if you are going to join in the company with less than 20 LPA, then you are underpaying yourself. So please do keep in that mind. And the skills needed for this role is master data, retail, iDocs, master data conversation, procurement, P2P process, SAP integration, non-SAP system. I don't know, if any SAP guy is watching this video, please let us know what exactly these things in the comment section, so that if people are going to start their career in SAP, they would be having some sort of information. If you want to apply for this role, please do share your updated resume to gunda.kumar at skillmind.com, and do let me know how it goes in the comment section. And let's jump into the next job. The next job is in spinning. So Sailesh Kumar Chaudhary, ex Flipkart employee, just shared this post. So these people are hiring for purchase executive role in Ahmedabad location. Candidate should belong from automobiles and SCM industry. So looks like this job is for mechanical folks, if I'm not wrong. Please do correct me in the comment sections if I'm wrong. If you want to apply for this role, you can share your resume to rushikesh.lohate at spinny.com. This would be a great opportunity for freshers also if someone is residing in Gujarat. So my salary for this role would be like at least 4.5 if you are a fresher, and if you are up to 3 years of experience, demand 10 LPA. If you are more than 10 years, demand at least 30 LPA. These are my salary recommendations for this role. And if you need any more details like salary, or more specific skills, feel free to reach Sailesh Kumar Chaudhary on LinkedIn, or else you can send an email to rushikesh.lohate at spinny.com for more details. And let's jump into the next job. The next job is Java developer, and the company called Advanced Soft. This job is posted by Sumaja Challa. She is the HR of that company. You can feel free to reach her if you need any more details. So for the Java developer, the skills required would be Java, J2EE, OOPS, design patterns, shell scripting, UML, etc. Docker, Kubernetes, REST API development, container, Microsoft, lot of skills they are asking. And also coming to database skills, they need SQL, MySQL or Maria database, UI framework, Angular, JS. I think she is requesting for entire company, not a specific person. I mean complete engineering department or engineering team. So if she needs this sort of skills in an expert level, and for the 5 years of experience only, she need to pay at least 25 LPA for this role. So my salary recommendation for this job is 25 LPA, because the skills they require is very more. they will make you to work at least three people work with you. So take three people salary here. And don't join in this position if they are going to offer less than 25 lakhs, because if you do so, you are underpaying yourself. And if some Java developer is watching this video, just feel free to comment what would be the expected salary for this role with 5 plus years of experience with these required skills. So if you want to apply for this job, please do share your updated resume to sumaja@adso.com. The job is in Bangalore. Just FII, expenses would be high compared to other metro cities. And let's jump into the next job. The next job is in Flipkart. So a lot of people, just by checking the brand, they want to join in this company. So this is for HR recruiter, non-IT. So it's a non-tech job, but it's okay if someone is a fresher or who wants to start his job in the HR background, or someone with 0 to 1 year of experience. It's a good job. And the position is in Aligarh. I think it is near to Delhi. The position would be talent acquisition executive, and the salary is 20 to 25K in hand. Eligibility criteria should be he or she should be from the HR background. But the salary for this role in a branded company like Flipkart is very less. So my salary recommendation would be at least 4.5 LPA for this role. If you're going to join in less than 4.5 lakhs, you're undervaluing yourself. But again, it's up to you. If you have some financial sort of problems, feel free to join in the company. So if you want to apply for this job, just share your updated resume with pragyashukla@flipkart.com. And let's see. Let me know how it goes in the comment section. Let me jump into the another job. Uh, so thankfully, these are the jobs today. I would be posting. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. So please do like, comment and share my video with the job seekers, so that it will add some sort of information for them. And let me know what kind of jobs are you looking for in the comment section, so that I'll try to grab those opportunities and share with you in the next videos. And just follow me on the LinkedIn at kprakash uh, yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.